Greed. It creates a positive cash flow upriver. Be careful who you cross, because on the river of greed, it's easy to drown in your own soup. Can you spare some change?
How's this for a change? Get your lazy ass to work. You don't need my change.
I'm always at your service, ma'am.
I know, but just to make it look good, I'm gonna beat you with my cane. My purse!
What life brings, greed can take away.
Hey, slow down. Where's my money?
I was coming to see you, man.
Yeah. Where's
Here.
my money?
Give me that. Give me that too. Man, you better bring me my money.
So what happened to Tuesday?
It's just taking a little bit longer, that's all, man. I'm telling
Go
you.
for a ride.
Excessive desire for getting or having, especially wealth.
I ride, you ride. We gonna have to ride for the west side. Money make the world go round. Money make the world go round. I ride, you ride. We gonna have to ride for the west side. Money make the world go round. Money make the world go round.
I hope that purse is full of money. Ha! But that would be like saying your head is full of brains. We're gonna take all you got. And we're gonna give you some more. And you better have at least half of that money by the next time I see you.
What's this? What's this? I've got guys doing 4 times this. What do I pay you for? Why do I lend you my guys?
I got some more collections to make.
Go get more.
Your face on my fist, your face on my fist, your face on my fist, your face on my fist. Fear, disgust, hate, hate, hate.
Theft, bullying, guns, fighting, trafficking, all some form of greed. Be careful who you cross, because on the river of greed, it's easy to drown in your own soup.
My purse!
What life brings, greed can take away.
Yeah,
You heard what happened, right?
about 4 minutes ago. How's she doing?
She's shaken but not stirred. She wants him gone.
How's she want it done?
It's up to you.
I got the perfect guy for the job. Yeah, did you see the punk that mugged the old lady?
Yeah,
He needs to disappear permanently.
consider it done. I don't have a desire for more than I need or deserve. Greed, sometimes it hurts. Sometimes it kills.